Hi friends, hope all of you are fine and doing well. This is Shayan and today we are going to learn how you can install the plugin in WordPress. So this is our next tutorial after learning how you can log into your WordPress dashboard. So today we are going to learn how you can add the plugin into your WordPress dashboard. So basically there are three methods to add plugin into WordPress dashboard. The very first method is to go to on plugin section and click on add new. From here, when you click add new, you will be redirected to a new page. Here you just need to search what plugin you want to install actually. So suppose I want to install suppose I want to install WooCommerce plugin. Okay, just click write WooCommerce and search for it. Now you will have a lot of plugins relative to this. You will have to install whatever you want. So as I want to install WooCommerce, so this is my required plugin. Just click install now. Actually my site is quite slow, so that's why this will take some time. Maybe in your case it will be easily installed, so let's wait for its installation. So finally plugin has been installed on my site. I can activate it here for my site. Let's activate it. Just click on it and your plugin will be activated. And so finally you can see in plugin section here your plugin has been activated. Here you can see this is WooCommerce plugin actually. Now if I want to this is actually the first method by which you can add the plugin into your WordPress dashboard. Now let me show you the second method. Now for second method you will go to WordPress.org site. Actually I want to show you the complete tutorial. So in WordPress.org you will go to plugins, and in plugin section you can here click search for any plugin you want. Suppose I want to add any plugin. I can choose any plugin. Let's suppose I want to install contact form 7. So what I have to do actually is to download it from here. And now the file has been downloaded here in my computer. Now I will go to plugins again, add new plugin. On dashboard I will click on add new plugin, and here click here upload plugin, and you will see this. Here you will upload the file you have just downloaded. So this is the file, this is the contact form file. You will have to upload it in zip form, so just upload it and install. So contact form 7 will be installed. You can see here it has been installed. So this is the second method that you can download the plugin from WordPress.org and upload it here and just activate the plugin. So this is the second method of downloading and installing the plugin on your site. Actually this is contact form 7, you can see here. Now I am going to tell you about this third method. So the third method is to install the plugin through your cpanel. What you have to do actually is you have to go to file manager, and from file manager you will go to public HTML, and from there you will go to WP content, WordPress content, and from there you will go to plugins. In plugin section you can see all the files which we have uploaded the plugins through other method. Now what I have to do actually is to upload the zip file of the plugin, which I have already downloaded it from WordPress.org. So I have just downloaded the file from WordPress.org, and now I am going to upload it here. Okay, let's wait for its uploading. Finally, file has been uploaded. Just reload it, this page, and you can see the file here. Sorry, not here. You will again have to go to public HTML, WP content, and from there you will go to plugins. Here you can see the file. You just have to extract the file here. Actually, yeah, you just have to extract the file. Okay, extract it. So the file is extracting. Finally, let's see if the file is extracted or not. Just reload it and see if the file is extracted or not. You once again have to go to public HTML, sorry, public HTML, WP content, and plugins, and that's it. You can see we have just uploaded a file, WordPress SEO, and you can see here. Now let's see if it is showing in our dashboard or not. Just reload it, and let's wait for its reloading. Until it is reloaded, let's see. So go to plugin section, installed plugins. It is not activated, it is just uploaded on the section. Actually, you can see here I have actually uploaded WordPress Yoast SEO. You can see here, this is the plugin which I have just uploaded, which I just uploaded through cpanel. So you just need to activate it, and that's it. Your plugin will be activated and you can use it according to your requirement. So this is our tutorial for how you can install the plugin into your WordPress dashboard. Stay connected for further videos in order to learn WordPress. Thank you.